Welcome to Toy Town, where we're all ready to be a kid again and get into playing. First thing you're going to notice on this designer tree is the red train. And the one thing you're going to notice, this is not our usual red train. This is a brand new red train with 2 cars. And that is very important for our designer tree. We had this made because the designers were trying to put the 3-car train into the tree in order to fill it with toys and ornaments and to make it a good designer tree for you. And they figured out that the 3 cars was just too heavy for the tree. So what we did is we created this one that says candy and toys for the Northern Pole Express. It is a 2-car red train, and it is suited just to go inside of our designer tree. Now that number is 83262. You're going to notice that we have 3 of them in this designer tree. The next thing you're going to see is that the cars are actually filled with teddy bears to decorate, and then these ponies. And the ponies are ornaments that are doing very, very well. They're brand new for us. They're stick ponies, so you can stick them in easily into any kind of display that you want to create. It's 86765. Another thing that you'll see coming down right in front of this red train is this garland. Now the garlands have been very popular because they've got these felt beads with these wooden beads. And this is a classic combination. It's a natural wood with the bright red. That really makes a nice accent on this tree. That garland is 86020. And then the next thing you're going to see that is selling very, very well is a combination of these drop ornaments. And these kind of have that old world look, don't they? Like kind of the old world toys and then the old world ornaments. So this one is available in green, and right above it we have an example of it in red. The green is 86907 and the red is 86906. In addition to the red and the green drop ornaments that are selling very well, we have this cluster set of 3 ornaments that are together on one, and it is 86598. It's kind of hidden on the back side of this designer tree, but our customers are definitely picking that up and ordering it with the green and the red drop. Now some of our toy ornaments that are here that we have brand new, we have the toy drum and the top, and the toy drum is right here, and then the top is hanging out right behind Santa here. And the combination of those 2 assorted is 87523. And the other pair of toy themed ornaments that are doing very, very well are the train, which is kind of a blue and a red train, and then the rocking horse. And those are 2 assorted, they go together. And those are 87524. The train and the rocking horse at 87524. The drum and the top were 87523. The next ornament on this tree that is really good and a standout is going to be this golden teddy bear, and it is glass. Gorgeous. It kind of sits right in there. It kind of reminds you of an old world, old Christmas teddy bear glass ornament. And this one happens to be 86445. Very popular, 86445 on the Toy Town tree. But that bear can't take all the credit because we have to have another bear in here. And this one comes directly from Santa's workshop, and this is another glass ornament. He's got a little Dalmatian puppy down by his boot, and look, he's holding the little teddy bear. And so as you turn this ornament, we can see the teddy bear face on. And we're going to turn it over this way so we can see it all the way around. Isn't that cute? So this is our Toy Town designer tree. You're going to see lots of different toys, lots of different traditional red and green colors, a little bit of bright silver poking through with the stems, and of course red and green jingle bells.